Hello guys, New Race Gamer here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get a custom mouse cursor for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 as well. So basically you can see guys, I have changed it from the default, and this is custom mouse pointers made by Metro X3 by Access. Uh, so basically guys, go ahead and download the file, and this is the file that you will get from the download, and open it up and click on the preview jpeg file. And as you can see guys, you have different color and two of the shapes. So the micro shape is coming soon, so choose any color you like, bold or light. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna choose orange in bold. So I'm gonna show you how to install this. So after you download the file guys, go ahead and choose any color from the preview file, and after that, like I said, I'm gonna install orange. So basically what you can do is copy all of these files, copy it and go to this PC or my computer in Windows 7 and C drive, Windows and cursors. Okay, I'm gonna tell you once again, this PC or my computer in Windows 7, C drive, Windows and cursors. So go ahead and paste it in this folder. I'm gonna replace the file, click on continue. So after you're done copying the file guys, you will have this ini file called install. So what you have to do is right click on it and click on install, and then click on yes. So now it is installed and ready to use. So how do we change the mouse cursor? So to do that, just click on search and type in mouse, and it will pop up change the mouse pointer display or speed in control panel. So if you are in Windows 7, you can search it in control panel. So those who have Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 10 can search it from the search bar. Just type in MO and it will pop up. So click on it and then go in the pointers tab. So in Windows 7, basically we will have mouse properties. So you can change it from here, pointers and scheme. And recently we installed bold orange. So click on it and click on the cursor name you have selected already. Yes. So if you want a shadow to guys, you can add shadow as well. So to add shadows, you can click on enable pointer shadow. So as you can see guys, you have a little bit of hint of shadows in the background of the mouse cursor. So it is pretty cool. So as you can see guys, we have different colors. So let's say we want a different color. So to get a different color, do the same process. Go to the folder, click on the preview file. Let's say this time we want this simple white, okay, but in light. So basically what we have to do is go into light folder, you click on white, copy all of these files, click on copy, and come in this PC or my computer in Windows 7, C drive, Windows and cursors folder, and paste it in here. Replace the files, continue, and you will have this install ini file. Right click on it, click on install, click on yes. And the same process guys, you have to open up the mouse properties. So if you are in Windows 7, open up mouse properties. If you are in Windows 8, 8.1 or 10, type in MO. Then and you can see since the mouse pointer display or speed will pop up, open up, and click on pointers tab. Click on the pointers you just installed, which is Metro X3 bold white. Click apply, click yes, and if you want shadows, just tick this box right here and click on apply. So as you can see guys, we have the mouse cursor changed. So that's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more of these tutorials like this, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.